All right, hello, people. Today I'm going to show you my trading journey because I've seen people actually document what they do and what decisions they make. And maybe somewhat for some people this will be helpful. I think, I believe, I do believe it. For some people this will be helpful. And yeah, so I've accumulated a lot of knowledge on the internet about trading psychology, about trading strategies and price action, all of that. And yeah, this is basically what I formulated um, throughout the years, and I'm gonna try to not throughout the years, throughout the months, because I've only been doing this for like 3 or 4 months now, and I've been unprofitable, obviously, because everybody's gonna be unprofitable no matter where they start and what they do. And as you can see right here, I made a trade. This is actually what I planned. I think 3 or 4 hours ago. I'm pretty sure. Right now it's almost 16. So yeah, I did this on I think somewhere around 12 or 13, basically 1 p.m. probably, somewhere like that. And as you can see, it hit my order, and I actually have the order on MT5, and now I am in a bit of profit. So I'm on this trade. I'm risking, pretty sure it's somewhere about 50 euros, if I'm not mistaken. I'm probably mistaken, but yeah, it's around 50 euros, and this is a 3-to-1 trade, which means if I win this trade, I get 150 euros. And obviously, I'm doing this on a prop firm account because doing this for my own money is first of all very inefficient, uh, meaning that I don't have enough a lot of money to trade with in the first place because I am a student. I cannot work a job, and yeah, that's why I got a prop firm account instead because it has a lot of capital, and if I actually complete the challenge, I can get a lot more money to trade with and a lot more profit if everything goes according to plan. But of course it won't, and that's what I'm striving for at least. So as you can see, this is what I think is going to happen. As we can see from weekly charts, it is in a downtrend. And as you can see, I construct this trend line. Obviously, I looked at 4 hours for constructing the trend line, but as you can see, it is going in an uptrend. It has been going in an uptrend for probably a year now, and I believe that it will still continue to go upwards. Um, Probably to like again to probably like this wick right here. This is what I'm kind of looking into. I'm not exactly sure what's gonna happen, but soon it's probably going to uh, go back down because as you can see, it made a new lower um, higher low, which was this. Then made a new high. Let me actually use this. Made a new high. Almost made a new high. Actually hasn't broken it yet, as you can see. It only touched it and then it went back. So I wanted to break this low, or break this high, I mean. And that's when it's probably going to move to somewhere like right here. As you can see, there's a lot of resistance on this area right here. And my trading strategy really revolves around just market structure and all of that. I use Confluence as well as just normal support and resistance to make my trades with a bit of Fibonacci as well. So let me go back to 4 hours and I'm gonna show you what I did. So as you can see, these lines right here, they represent uh, support and resistance lines. As you can see right here, we see I usually use the line chart to draw these resistance zones. We see right here, here, a lot of bouncing and basically in these areas. That's why I drew these, but they don't actually really matter that much. I just had them for reference because at any of these points, the price can uh, get back up or break it. And for breakpoints, we look at lower time frames to see what it has done. For example, if we look at 5 minutes, as you can see, it hasn't really had broken yet. There's no candle above the line, which means that it's probably going to re go back, basically. I don't know. As you can see, the last line right here, which is this one, actually went through this line, which means it's probably going to be a reversal and it's going to go back up. So yeah, that's basically it with these lines. They're not exactly everything that is surrounding my strategy. Not exactly. Now, if we go back and, as you can see, I created a Fibonacci line and create a Fibonacci line, and from the highest point to the lowest point, as you can see, or actually, uh, I don't know how I did this. No, it's from the lowest point to the highest point, as you can see. And I was looking for it when I put this trade, when I put the order. The price was somewhere around here, and basically, I believe that at 61.8, it would get back up because this is going upwards. It's going in a steep uptrend, right? And what I believed would happen is that I believe that it would go to 61.8 and it would retrace, meaning that it will probably touch the past support, which is this one, the created support, and the new high of how many days this is. So I believe that what's going to happen now, it's either going to uh, is going to probably get to this zone, and we'll see what happens at this zone to make a move. If it goes over the zone, I'm probably gonna add to the trade, and this is actually one new thing I'm doing right now is adding to more trades when everything goes to plan. So this is also one of the reasons I drew these support and resistance zones as well. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now, and as you can see right now, it's doing pretty good. Um, yeah, my stop loss is basically below 78.6 because normally price doesn't actually go to this point on a lot. I did a lot of trades actually before, and I can tell you right now that usually it retraces back on 61.8 or 50 or 38.2. That's usually when it retraces. It doesn't really go below 88.6 or 100. If it goes below 100, that means it's break of structure and it's probably going to um, go into a probably like change the trend or whatever you say it, however you say it. I'm not exactly sure, but anyways, you get the point. Right. As you can see, it is below the trend as well, which is not a good indication. This is not really good, but the trend is not accurate on itself because as you can see, like it's very hard to actually show a clear trend that actually everything hits. Actually, should be somewhere like right there, I think. I'm not sure exactly, but yeah, it's very hard to actually show the trend and what it is. It's probably like something like this, I'm guessing. I'm not sure. But we'll see what happens. This is the point that I'm absolutely interested in. If it goes past this resistance zone, then I'm gonna add to the trade. So this is all I have to say about this trade. It's nothing really important. As you can see, also, I'm pretty sure this is a 4 hour. Yeah, I think everything here is 4 hour. Because with Confluence, you use the daily chart, the 4 hour chart, and the 1 hour chart to draw lines. And I'm pretty sure this is 4 hour lines. Yeah, I did this a bit differently than from Euro USD. If we go back to Euro USD actually, so I made a trade, I think it was 1 or 2 days ago, and I basically made a trade like somewhere like right here, or I believe so. I don't actually remember um, what trade it was, but uh, yeah, I made it. I went in. I'm pretty sure somewhere like right here, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see exactly. It was like 2 to 1. I'm pretty sure so it was something like this. Yeah, it was something like this probably. Again, I don't exactly remember what happened. I should have remembered what happened, but I should probably also like document this as well. Document all of my trades, and that's what I'm doing right now is I'm documenting them. Oh, I think this was a bit lower, was it? Yeah, I think it was like somewhere right here, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember exactly how this went. Yeah, it was something like this. Yeah, yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's exactly how it was. So, as you can see right here, it rejected the zone, and I instantly believe that. And there's also the trend line, right? There's also this trend line that I don't honestly remember what happened. I think I looked at this if I'm not mistaken. Or was it this? I don't exactly remember. But anyways, so it touched the trend line also, right? It touched the trend line and it touched this zone right here. And I basically I had double confirmation to get into this trade, and so I did. And I actually won this trade. I added, I'm pretty sure a trade here, so, and I closed this for break even. And this was my stop loss right here, and I added more to this trade. And then I'm pretty sure at this stage as well, I did a trade, and this was my stop loss. Okay, that doesn't make sense, but no, I think the stop loss was somewhere different. Yeah, it was like right here. There you go. As you can see, it's a bit bad, but I think it was 1-to-1, so this probably is a bit higher. It's probably like right here, I think. Again, I don't exactly remember, but basically I did two more trades to this, and I won all of them and came out on top with 140 euros in profit. So that was pretty good. As you can see, the structures are a bit different. Greens show 4-hour support and resistance zones. Reds show daily support and resistance zones, and blues and whites they are random zones that I have created. They don't exactly show much. So well they do, but I don't know why I did these. Not exactly. Let me think why I did them really quick. Thing is, yes, these are 1 hour. Yeah, there you go. 1 hour zones right here. Although they don't actually, you could probably delete these because they don't actually matter that much. But you get the point. I just create zones to see where the price, as you can see, actually went to over here and it retested it and it shot up. So yeah, that's very interesting. Again, on this channel, I'm not going to be trying to sell anything to you. I'm just basically posting my progress and telling you what I did and what I didn't do, and well, that's about it. And these are my two trades that I did, and yeah, I think that's about it. I think I did a GJ trade, but I'm not gonna talk about that one. Oh yeah, I lost this trade, never mind. Well, if you like this type of content, let me know down in the comments below, and let me know what you want me to cover if you are a beginner trader. Uh, Most of this has to do with psychology, and I've learned this throughout the way of losing a bit of money, but if you want to learn anything from me or you want to give me advice, if you're a better, if you are a successful trader, uh, please do in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and see you in another video.